Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited to share something new with you all guys. My new camera. A little backstory about my old camera which is Nikon 5200, which is my first camera. This Nikon 5200 was my first camera which I had bought in 2015, and this camera will always be very special for me because this is my first camera. But as time passes, this camera felt outdated as it did not had that fast auto focusing system, and I always felt outdated using this camera in today's time, and making videos with this was a big struggle. I never enjoyed making videos with this as it is honestly not built for that. That's why I decided it's time to buy a new camera. And after doing a lot of research and being watching reviews, I finally decided to buy a new camera, and that is Sony Alpha 6700, A6700 of Sony. This is the camera which I decided to buy, paired with Sigma 18 to 55 2.8 mm lens. I did think of buying a full frame sensor camera, but budget wise, the Sony A6700 was the best choice. The video quality and the autofocus of this camera is just amazing. And trust me, the video plus photo output of this camera is truly amazing. It is a true beast. The autofocus system on this camera is insane fast, and you can see that now. It is focusing me insanely fast, and this is the best thing about this camera. Wherever I go, it does not lose the focus on me, and this is the best part of this camera. Initially I thought of buying a prime lens along with the Sony A6700, but that would have limited me a lot in getting a very wider shot, like a very narrow shot. So I decided to buy this 18 to 50 Sigma 18 to 50 2.8 aperture lens, and this is an amazing lens. It gives sharp output and also allows me to shoot in wide as well as narrow frame. So now this video has been recording at 18 mm, and if I want, I can also record this at 50 mm as well. So I have that option with this lens, but if I would have bought a 50 mm lens, then that would not have been possible with this lens. So going with the Sigma 18 to 50 2.8 was a good choice for me. So yeah, that's the story behind my new camera. Just stick around till the end to watch the purchase and unboxing video of my new camera. Kept it very simple and real. So yes, to watch that.
बस खींचो भी हो जाएगा फिंगर।
ये चालू भी नहीं होगा। ये अपना सिग्मा का लेंस। फाइनली अपन ने कैमरा खरीदा है सोनी का अल्फा 6700। ये अपन ने खरीदा है सोनी अल्फा 6700 विथ सिग्मा लेंस 18 टू 50 mm 2.8। तो ये अपना सेकंड कैमरा है। इतने सालों तक तो अपन निकॉन 5200 ले यूज़ कर रहे थे, जिसमें ना तो ऑटो फोकस था ना ही वीडियो कैपेबिलिटी थी इतना। फिर DJI का प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किया अपन ने, DJI Osmo Action। और अभी अपन ने एक सोनी का कैमरा लिया, अपग्रेड किया है टू 6700 विथ सिग्मा लेंस 18 टू 50 mm विच इज़ ऑफ फिक्स अपर्चर विच इज़ ऑफ 2.8। और रही बात प्राइसिंग की कि अपने को कितने में पड़ा ये, तो अपने को 6700 ये अपन ने मेहता एंटरप्राइजेस से लिया है यहाँ पर बुरा मार्केट में CST। तो ये अपने को बॉडी पड़ा 1,10,000 का। और जो लेंस है 18 टू 50 mm सिग्मा का 2.8 विथ फिक्स अपर्चर 2.8, ये लेंस अपने को पड़ा 37,500। और इसके साथ अपने को ये सोनी का छोटा सा बैग मिल रहा है, जिसके बदले में अपन ये बैग मांग रहे हैं सर से, लेकिन सर देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। कोई बात नहीं चलेगा। उसके लिए 500 ज़्यादा भरना पड़ रहा है, बट अपन इससे ही काम चला लेंगे। तो यस, थोड़ा सोचा था सर अपना मान रख देंगे, लेकिन नहीं है, नहीं हो रहा है उतना। चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं। तो ये था अपना छोटा सा परचेस। दैट्स इट, थैंक यू। So if you watched this video till then, thank you so much. We'll catch you again in another video. Till then, keep spreading love, keep spreading happiness, and always try to be a good human being. And yes, before going, do also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.